Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? It's 4 p.m. in the evening and a sad day because I wanted to come to Dhanushkodi and well, guess what? It's a stupid lockdown. I just don't get it. Dhanushkodi is closed for the next 2 days. The biggest temple here in Rameswaram is closed for the next 2 days until Wednesday and all. So I came here and there was this stupid check post and it did not allow me to go. And that was really sad. Policemen, they stopped me and I just sat there on my scooty with my hand over on my forehead, and guess what?
A few moments later.
Finally, one of the policemen says, you know what, just go and quickly come back, because I told him I have a train tomorrow, I will not be able to see this if I don't get to see it. So he allowed me to actually go to Dhanushkodi, and now I want to show it to you guys. It's like I'm the only one on this beautiful road. So take a look at this and have fun with me. And thank you, Mr. Policeman, that you allowed me to come on this road trip of mine, and it looks absolutely great. So I can see on my right side, I think now this road is all surrounded by the sea, the Bay of Bengal. I think that's what it is. I'm gonna try and show you guys, because there's a lot of tree, as you just saw, on the left and both sides, and it's not that possible. Okay, I'm gonna stop here and try show you guys. Looks like a place where I can stop. It's difficult to get my camera on the scooty because it's not like a GoPro and I don't have a mount or something, so only I know how I manage. But let me show you what this looks like. There's a lot of wind, so I'm not really sure about the voice quality. It's always concerning, but take a look at this. This is Dhanushkodi, surrounded island and surrounded by the water. And as you can see, this road, this highway that's leading to Rameswaram. Dhanushkodi and Rameswaram, there's only a matter of 25 kilometers, and that's basically it. And because it's a lockdown, not a soul you would see here except for some locals, and that is all. But yeah, this is like a deserted place. And I'm gonna go ahead now and let's see what I can find. And let's see how far I can go. I don't think I have yet reached there where I need to be. What the hell is this? Highways, I have no idea what is this place. Let me take a look at the map. I'm gonna go there and come back. Okay, so this is the dead end. This is the dead end, and from here there is absolutely no road, as you can see. And there's only water and water, that's it. So, good to be here. I'm glad that I came here. Now I know what it is. Let's go back and continue our journey to Dhanushkodi. This is a temple. I mean, how beautiful it looks. That there is nobody, just you're the only one. To the left. So this is the town, ladies and gentlemen. I think there are people living here. Surrounding. This is where people are living. area that I'm in right now, this is all the ruins of that flood, that tsunami that came in here. All of this is just ruins. People are living here, and this is the sign to the railway station. There used to be a railway station, and I think it completely washed away after that flood. Let's continue. And there's a sign of church, which I've also seen it. And these are fish drying. The smell of the fish in the sea is so strong here. I have to go all the way to the end. That's what I'm really trying to do. I want to go to the end. And this right here is the lighthouse. Riding against the waves, but it's like I was riding against the wind, and even right now the wind is so powerful that my scooty is not able to pull itself. I just am on full throttle at the moment, and I also experienced a tiny little bit of a sandstorm hitting my face. Okay, looks like this would be the end of it. Now I can feel it. It's like a beach, people are here. Danger seashore area, hence bathing strictly prohibited. Okay, I think that is it. This is where the road ends. I'm happy that it ends. Somehow these people have been allowed the entry. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am really excited, and I'm happy to tell you that I finally reached. This is the end point of Dhanushkodi, and let's just take a moment here and stand, because I see there is quite a bit of a crowd here, and somehow these people have also been made an exception to allow with their entry. So yeah, now look at this beautiful water, and from here Sri Lanka is somewhere, which I think it's on that side, because that's the only land that I see. I'll probably ask, but let me show you guys around. Wow, the water here is so powerful. I think that side, that right there, you see the land. I think somewhere far away from here. I'll have to ask somebody local here where the Sri Lanka actually starts from. So yeah, but this is all surrounded by the water. The seashore is most dangerous with strong current and sudden drop of area. Wow, no wonder, I can just tell. So this it is, that right there. It signifies that we have finally come to an end of this trip. I think all of these people are local, from local parts of the city and town, and that's what it is. Excuse my hair, the wind is just too powerful here, and forget about the hair and everything. But let me show you guys around something. So this side that is behind me right now, just where the sun is going to set, that actually is the Indian Ocean, Hind Mahasagar. And right ahead of me, which is where I'm walking right now, this right here, this powerful current and the waves, as you can see, all of this is actually Bay of Bengal. This is the water of the Bay of Bengal. incredible. I can feel that tiny little drop of the ocean over my face coming with that wind. I actually have a friend who lives in Sri Lanka right now. I was just telling her that I'm going to be visiting this place, and maybe you should also come to that Mannar Island so that we can wave hi to each other. Wow, Indian Ocean is so calm and quiet. It's the Bay of Bengal. That's crazy. After all, it's big, right? It has to be quiet. Look at that. अन्ना नीचे जाने का कहाँ से है? यहीं से? तो बड़ा खतरनाक लग रहा है. Feel like once I go down, I would not be able to come back up. I'm glad I decided to wear slipper rather than my stupid shoes. Oops. I made it, yes. Wow. I have to take my stupid sunglasses off. I could not have been able to see this beauty. Again, all of this is Bay of Bengal, and right there in the middle starts the Indian Ocean. And people have gone so far from here. I'm gonna go there. Now that I've come here, I'm not going back without enjoying a moment. That's all I know. ये हैं अन्ना हमारे, इन्होंने मुझे बताया कि ये है इंडियन ओशन और बे ऑफ बंगाल. यहाँ से बीच से ही मिलते हैं ये दोनों. यहाँ पे है संगम, और वहीं पे वो आपका श्रीलंका है उधर. Wow, look at this sand. I find the Indian Ocean is more quiet and peaceful, but when it takes its real root, I think that's when it's gonna really, change all of that. But Bay of Bengal, on the other hand, looks really powerful with all those current and powerful waves. You can just see it. Looks scary. Let's take a look at the Bay of Bengal for the very last time. And also Sri Lanka far from here. Sri Lanka, it is my promise, I will soon be visiting you, and I would most likely try to come on that Mannar Island and then say hi to India from here, just like I'm saying hi to Sri Lanka from here. So that right there is Sri Lanka. Not too far from here, about 25 to 30 kilometers. But of course you're not allowed to go there. Okay, it's time to go, and it's time to climb these big rocks. Damn. One bad move and you're down. But all the good moves. La 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 la. All right, I better get going now. There's my scooty. That right there, that I hired it, and yeah, this is duo. We have to go that side and ride against the wind, not against the waves. All right. Decided to stop by here for a real quick second, for a real detour. And this is the ruins. This used to be the church, as you can see, but it's all broken now. I guess broken is just a small word for what I'm saying. But this is all destroyed because of that tsunami that came in here, as you can see. Wow. I guess this used to be the entrance just right from where I entered. Look at the beautiful view of the sunrise right from here. And this is all broken. This is all destroyed. This, ladies and gentlemen, is now known as the ghost town of this Dhanushkodi, because there are not a lot of people in here, just some people locally living here. As you can see, all of this has been destroyed. This is nothing but the ruins. And after it was all destroyed, I think the government or nobody really decided to rebuild it. They just left it as it is, let the nature take its course. And I'm assuming maybe from that side the flood might have just happened. It all looks so deserted except for the people hunting for fish, fishermen. That's it. Look at these tiny little bunkers. Everything is destroyed. I wonder what this place used to be. There are not locals here. There are not people. I can't really ask anybody here because I don't see any people here because of the lockdown. So, but yeah, all of this is just destroyed and demolished. Nature is powerful. Nature can be powerful. Nothing can be mightier than the nature. When it takes its real course, it can take the humankind away with it. That's all I know, and that's what I've learned here during this trip of mine. Take a look at this. Okay, I don't really want to go too far from here now. It's better that I leave before it's too late. It's already 5:50. And due to the lockdown, all these shops or these huts, they're all shut down and they're closed. This used to be the church. I wonder, there used to be a lot of Christian people living here back in the days. Are these people living here, they're also Christian or what? So that is it, guys. A little detour of this, a little tour of the ruins in Dhanushkodi. It's been a wonderful, wonderful, mesmerizing, magnificent journey of mine. That is it. With this being said, I would like to call it a day. A trip to Dhanushkodi. It's amazing. Thank you once again, guys, for watching. I hope that you really liked this video, and please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you really like it, and yeah, thanks to those policemen once again who allowed me to come here. Thank you. I guess I would not come back here anytime soon, maybe somewhere in the future, but I had to really be here. So that is it. Signing out from Dhanushkodi now.